Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have m square plus n equals to 73 and n square plus m equals to also 73. We solve this problem for the values of m and n. So first we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2. Here the very first step we are going to do is first we will subtract equation number 1 with equation number 2. So when you subtract these two equations, it will be written as m square plus n minus n square minus m equals to 73 minus 73, and it will be written as, we write m square and minus n square here, m square minus n square. Here we need to take common, or we can just write these terms here. It will be written as n minus m equals to 73 minus 73 equals to 0. And now here in the next step we will apply the algebraic formula on here. It will be written as m minus n times of m plus n, and here we take common minus sign. It will be written as m minus n equals to 0. And now we focus here on both of these cases. We have m minus n be the common term and the remaining terms are m plus n, and here you get minus 1 equals to 0. And now here in the next step we will divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we take m minus n equals to 0, and the second case is we take m plus n minus 1 equals to 0. So here in this case we get m is equals to n, and we will reject this case because we can solve this problem for the distinct values of m and n, and we will proceed here this case only. And from this case we have m plus n equals to plus 1, and we call this is our equation number 3. So here first we subtract equation number 1 and 2, and now here we will add equation number 1 and equation number 2, so that our above equation is written as, we add here m square plus n square plus m equals to 73 plus 73, and this will be written as m square plus n square plus here you have m plus n, and this is equals to 73 plus 73 equals to 146. So here we can apply the value of m plus n is equals to 1. We will substitute it here, and it will be written as m square plus n square plus 1 equals to 146. So it will be written as m square plus n square equals to 145, and we call this is our equation number 4. So here we need equation number 3, so that equation number 3 is implies that m plus n equals to 1. Here we will take the squaring on both of the sides. So when you take squaring, it will be written as, here we can expand this nice formula. It will be written as m square plus n square plus 2 times of m n equals to, this is 1 square equals to 1. Then we have the value of m square plus n square is 145. We will substitute it here. It will becomes 145 plus 2 times of m n equals to 1. And here we move 145 to the right hand side. It will be written as 2 times of m n equals to minus 144. And now in the next step we move this 2 to the right hand side. It will be written as m n equals to minus 144 divided by 2. It is equals to minus 72. So we have the value of m n equals to minus 72. So now here in the next step we will move this m to the right hand side. So when we move this m to the right hand side, we get the value of n equals to minus 72 divided by m, and we call this is our equation number 5. So we will substitute this value of n in equation number 3. So equation number 3 we copy down equation number 3 here. It is m plus n equals to 1. And now we will substitute the above value of n here, and it will be written as m plus this is minus 72 our m equals to 1. And now here we will multiplying both of the sides by m. So when you multiply both of the sides by m, it will be written as m times of m becomes here m square, and this is plus minus minus, this m is cancelled out by this m, and we get 72. 1 times of m equals to m. So now we move this m in the left hand side, it will becomes m square minus m minus 72 equals to 0. So you see here, this is the this equation will becomes quadratic in m variable, so that now we can apply the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation, or in other words, you can also make the factors of this equation. So here we will make the factors of this equation, so that we will break the middle term. So its middle term is minus m. We write this minus m as minus 9m plus 8m, and this is minus 72 equals to 0. So first we take common m from the first two terms, and we get here m minus 9 plus, here we take common 8, and we get m minus 9 equals to 0. And now here in the next step, we will take common m minus 9 from both of these factors, and we get m plus 8 equals to 0. Now we can divide this into the two cases. So the first case is we write m minus 9 equals to 0, and the second case is we write m plus 8 equals to 0. So here we easily get the value of m equals to 9, and from here we get the value of m equals to minus 8. So these are the two values of m, and now we will find the corresponding values of n. So in order to find the value of n, we need equation number 5. So that from equation number 5 we have n equals to minus 72 divided by m, and we will substitute these two values of n here. So we have n equals to minus 72 over m equals to 9, and in this case we have n equals to minus 72 over 8. So you see here, this is 9 8 is 72. We get the value of n equals to minus 8, and from in this case we have, this is 8 9 is 72, and we get the value of n equals to minus 9. So this is the value of n corresponding to the value of m is 9, and this is the value of n corresponding to the value of m equals to minus 8. So we have the final step of this question is we will write the solution set, and the solution set is equals to this is mn equals to the value of m is 9, and corresponding value of n is minus 8, and the value of m is minus 8, and corresponding value of n is minus 9. So these are the two solution sets of the given equation. And this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.